Boosting your fertility through acupuncture. It can be a very difficult thing when you're having trouble conceiving a child. Many married couples have experienced a lot of stress in their marriage over the disappointment of months going by without conception taking place. Perhaps you have gone to a fertility clinic and have found out that one of you is not producing the way that they should in order to have a child. Many different medical techniques may have been brought to your attention, but something that you may have not considered is going through acupuncture in order to boost your fertility. How can he do this? According to traditional Chinese medicine, the entire body is interlinked through an energy source that is known as qi. This energy flows through all of us, and when it is in a balanced state, we enjoy good health and an overall sense of well-being. If this energy should get out of balance in some way, it can affect us in a number of different ways. Through the use of acupuncture, an acupuncturist is able to bring the body back into a balanced condition where this energy can flow freely through us. Not only can this help us with various physical maladies, it may also be able to boost our fertility. The reason why this is the case is because whenever our body is in balance, everything is in balance with it. From the way that we think to the way that we react, all the way down to the amount of sperm or eggs that are produced in us as individuals. If we allow the free flow of energy to go through our body and put ourselves in a balanced condition, we may find that our odds of conceiving a child increased greatly. As a matter of fact, in some studies done with those going through in vitro fertilization, a 10% increase in the rate of conception was realized through the use of acupuncture. Before you try a medical treatment that may be costly and harm your body in some way, you might want to give acupuncture a try. It is a relatively safe and natural way for you to increase your fertility and the possibility of you conceiving a child naturally. Not only that, but it can help you to deal with any disappointment by giving you peace of mind.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.